Quiet your mind. Soak it all in. It's a game you can't win. Enjoy the ride.
Kind of see it, but the tank's underneath the whole toolbox. It's about 50. No, I think we did the calculation. I think it's 46 or 47 gallons. It has a pump. We have put a fitting in the bottom, just pulls the water in, and it's an on-demand pressure pump. So as you, whatever you turn on inside or wherever you use it, it only kicks on and then it kicks off, and it's wired into the 12 volt to the truck batteries, and it has a switch and stuff there, so we can turn it on and off. So basically we can get to a boondocking spot and kick the switch on and just leave it, and if we need to sink in the middle of the night or whatever, it just turns on as it needs it, so it should never run the battery down. The only way it would ever be a problem is if one of these hoses, if it came off or something started leaking, it'll keep constantly pumping till it gets to 50 psi, because it emits 50 psi. So, but all the stuff there, nothing seems like it's leaking, so it's good, and it just hooks up to our regular. Use our same hose we would use at a campsite with our filter and everything, and run it right into our water feed into the trailer, and then we'll have it to where I'll put a splitter off of here, and then we can run a small hose off of that, and I'll end up making some kind of little stand for our portable gas heater. And I hooked up, you see our gas line? So now we can quick connect our gas right here to run our gas, our tankless water heater, so we can shower outside.
Beep.